This video explains how to create presentations using Quarto in R programming and then modify these presentations using ONLYOFFICE, which is a free alternative to Microsoft Office. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So if you want to create a new Quarto file in RStudio, then you have to click the button here at the top left, the New File button, and then you can click Quarto Presentation. So if you click on this, then you can see that a new file is created. Here in this case, we are selecting PowerPoint because we want to create a PPTX file. And then you can click Create. And as you can see, now this new file is created, which contains some basic formatting and some instructions on how to use this file. However, in our example, we will already use a file that I have created before. So the first step is always to create a new Quarto file, and then inside this file you can modify the outputs. So here in this case, you can see that I have specified a title for my presentation. In this case, the title is Quarto to ONLYOFFICE, because in this video we will demonstrate how to create a presentation in Quarto in combination with ONLYOFFICE. Then I also have specified a subtitle and I have specified the format, and this format should be PPTX. Now afterward, we can always create a new slide by specifying these two hashtags, as you can see here. And then this is the title of my slide. And then afterward, and this is very convenient in Quarto, we can simply specify R code by using this syntax. And in between, we can specify the R code that we want to use. So here in this case, we want to draw a graph of our example dataset. And in this case, we are using the cars dataset, which is already included in the base R installation. So you don't have to load this data. You can plot it right away using the plot function. Then we are also creating another slide, slide number 2, which provides a quick summary of our dataset. And for this, we use another R programming chunk, as you can see here. And then we use the summary function and we apply this function to our dataset. So as you can see, we are working here with a relatively simple syntax. And now if we want to create a Beamer presentation based on this, we can click the render button that you can see here at the top. So if I click this, then a new PPTX file is created in the folder where this R Quarto file is located. I can show you this by opening the folder. So here you can see we have a Quarto to ONLYOFFICE folder. And as you can see, I have already prepared 3 different Quarto files. More on that later. Currently, we are working with example 1. And after executing the file, as we just did with the render button, this PPTX file was created. And in this case, I want to open the PPTX file with ONLYOFFICE. ONLYOFFICE is a free alternative to Microsoft Office. And in this video, I have collaborated with and have been sponsored by ONLYOFFICE to showcase their product to my audience. So thanks a lot to ONLYOFFICE for making it possible to create this video. And ONLYOFFICE can be downloaded here on their page completely for free. So if you enter onlyoffice.com, you can click the download button here, and then you can download the desktop app that I'm also using here completely for free. So after downloading this, I will put a link to ONLYOFFICE into the description of this video. You can modify and open the PPTX file using ONLYOFFICE by doing a right click and then open with ONLYOFFICE. So after running this, you can see that now a PPTX file is created. And as you can see here, this is a very simple presentation. We have a main slide, Quarto to ONLYOFFICE, an efficient way to create Beamer presentations. This is the title and subtitle that we specified in RStudio. And then we have our two slides, plot 1, slide 1, plot of the data, and slide 2, a quick summary. And as you can see, the convenient part here is that we were able to create graphs and summary outputs using R code and then show these outputs in our presentation. This does not look very pretty yet, it's still very basic, so we will modify this in a second. However, in this simple example, you can already see how it's possible to use Quarto, R programming, and ONLYOFFICE to create presentations. So now in the next step, I want to show you how to create a template to modify the design of our output file. And for this, we can open the ONLYOFFICE app, as I'm doing right now. And as you can see, ONLYOFFICE can be used to create docx documents, XLSX documents, PPTX documents, PDF documents. It can read CSV files and so on. So it can basically do all the main things that Microsoft Office also does, but this is completely free. So here in this case, we want to use a PPTX file to create a template for our Beamer presentation. And for that reason, I'm clicking here. And now in the next step, we can simply modify this file in ONLYOFFICE. So for example, we can click on the design button here at the top, and then we can choose one of these designs. So for example, in this case, I want to use this style. Then we could also specify that I want to use a different size. So here in this case, I want to use a 4:3 aspect ratio. And for that reason, I'm clicking here. So let's say this is our design template that we want to use. Of course, you can modify many other things, but I think for the sake of demonstration, this is sufficient. And now what I'm doing is I save this as a new template file by clicking on the Save As button. And then I select my Quarto to ONLYOFFICE folder in which our project is located. And in this case, I call this file my template. So I save this. Now I can close this file. And as you can see now, we have a new PPTX file in our folder Quarto to ONLYOFFICE. And now we can switch back to RStudio to use this template file in our presentation. So for this, I'm opening RStudio. And now, as you can see, I have already prepared a second example. However, please note, if I click here on this second file, the only thing that changes is line 6. So here I specify a column after PPTX, and then I use reference doc, and I specify our template file, which is mytemplate.pptx. So all the other elements here are exactly the same as in the other file. So now if you click the render button again, you can see that a new PPTX file is created in our folder, which is called Quarto to ONLYOFFICE example 2. And if you open this file, you can see that a new Beamer presentation is appearing. And as you can see here, the style that we have specified in our template is used in this Beamer presentation as well. So we have this design element with the blue background, and we also have changed the aspect ratio to a 4:3 aspect ratio. Now you can also see that the following slides are also using this design. So here we have our plot and our quick summary. Once again, this is not really looking pretty yet, but we can still modify this later, as I will show you in the next example. So in the next example, I want to show you how to modify these Beamer presentations in Quarto. And for this, I have prepared another example, example number 3. And now if I click on this file, you can see that here this first part of the Quarto file is exactly the same. Then we also have slide 1 and slide 2. However, this time I use the ggplot2 package to create our plot, and I use the dplyr, tidyr, and gt packages to create our table. So these packages can be used to create prettier plots and tables. I don't want to go into too much detail here about this syntax because I think it's beyond the scope of this video. However, I will put the code into the description of this video so you can copy paste it from there. And then we can render this file again to see how the output looks like. So after running this, you can see that another PPTX file is created, which is called Quarto to ONLYOFFICE example 3. And if you open this file, you can see that now the first slide, the main header slide, is the same. However, then our plot was changed, and you can also see that we have created a prettier table. However, you can also see that now in this case, the plot and the table are still not arranged well. So now what we can do is we can simply continue our work in ONLYOFFICE as we would usually do with a regular PPTX file that we have created outside of R and without Quarto. So this is the convenient thing here, that we can first automate and specify things inside R and with Quarto, and then later we can use ONLYOFFICE to modify this file and to give it this last design touch and to add additional elements that we want to add to our presentation. So just to show you some simple examples here, in this case, we might want to decrease the size of the plot to fit it better into this area. So this is already looking much better. And then here, for example, we might want to move this table downwards. As you can see here, maybe we also want to change the size of the table, as you can see here. So this is also already looking much better. Now in the next step, I want to show you a great feature of ONLYOFFICE, which is shown here when you click on this AI button, because ONLYOFFICE also provides AI features that can enhance your documents and your presentations. So if you click here, you can see that you have different AI buttons. And in this case, I want to create a text summary of our table. And for this, I first create a new slide, as you can see here. And then I simply copy this table, click on the chatbot. You have to connect ONLYOFFICE with the AI that you want to use. So in this case, I have connected this with ChatGPT. I will put a link into the description of this video, which explains how to connect ONLYOFFICE to your preferred AI tool. However, here in this video, I'm using ChatGPT, and I have already connected ChatGPT with ONLYOFFICE. And now, after clicking this chatbot button, I can, for example, simply insert the table that I have just copied. And now I can chat with ONLYOFFICE or the chatbot inside ONLYOFFICE as I would do with any AI tool that I want to use. So here in this case, I, for example, could tell my chatbot, I want to create a summary description of this table, create 3 to 4 short bullet points that describe the table. I hit enter, and now you can see that this table is created. You can see it here. So after a quick look, I would say this looks good. And now in the next step, I can click here on my fourth slide, click into the slide text, and now simply click Insert Result. And as you can see now, I have created a new slide with 4 bullet points which are describing the data set of my second slide. So now I could say I want to use another AI feature by ONLYOFFICE because maybe some of my audience prefers to read in a different language. And for this, I create another slide. So here in this case, I duplicate this slide. So as you can see, slide 4 and 5 are now exactly the same. And now in the next step, I highlight this text and now I click on the translation button. So here in this case, I have selected German as the language into which I want to translate. And as you can see, after clicking this button, the entire text is translated to German. So now we have our slide once in English and once in German. We also have a summary button here. I talk more about that in a website article that I have also created in collaboration with ONLYOFFICE. I will also put a link to this article into the description of this video. So I hope you have seen how easy it is to combine R, Quarto and ONLYOFFICE to automate presentations and to create presentations very efficiently. Thanks again to ONLYOFFICE for making it possible and for sponsoring this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.